Hello all. Hey Hiran. Hi to you, please check.
Hear me?
Hi Anurag. Anurag? Yeah, can you hear me now, Anurag?
Yeah. Fine.
Yeah,
Everything. Okay.
happy Earth Day.
Yeah, thank you. Same to you, bro. Okay, hi everybody. Happy Earth Day. I
So
think
here we
all of
have
you are.
Anurag the magician here today for the Earth Day show.
Okay, sir. So thank you once again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So
Yeah, that's a pleasure, man.
First of all, I'm going to show you one thing. I have a prediction. You can see it, right?
Okay.
A prediction. So I'm going to stick it here. Can you see it? Okay,
Yes,
I'll stick
yes.
a little bit down now. Okay, you can see it. Okay, yeah, everybody just see that. Okay, okay. First of all, Harsha, I'll do card trick with you. Okay, so just tell
Okay.
anywhere. I'll see like we have all random cards. Just tell
Yes.
anywhere stop.
Okay, sure. Stop.
Sure, or you want to
Yes,
continue?
I'm sure. No,
Sure,
I
right?
just want to stop there itself.
You won't stop there. You want others? You have a choice. You can continue. You want to
Okay.
stop there?
I
Okay,
want to
right?
stop there.
Okay, okay. Watch. Just have a look at the card. Just don't tell me. Everybody, just have a look, right? You can see it, right?
Okay. Yes, yes. It's visible.
Okay, just remember it. Okay,
Sure, bro.
okay. Now what? I'm just going to give a shuffle. Okay. So what? I just snap. Just see that you can see your card.
Yes, yes, we can see.
You can see your card.
I lost you again, man. Anurag, are you there? Okay, he just left. I'll add him again. Yeah, Anurag, welcome back.
Okay. Did you remember the card?
Yes, yes, I do remember.
Like, can you see the card exactly? What did you choose?
Hmm,
Just tell yes or no. Did you see your card?
not yet.
Uh,
Yeah, I think it's there somewhere else.
okay. Did you see it till now?
No, could you show it to me again? No, bro.
No, right? Okay.
No, no.
Uh, from from the starting of the trick, I was wearing a mask, right?
Yes.
I was. I'm not going to cheat. Nothing in my hands. Just see. What was your card for the first time?
J
What was
of
your card?
Hearts.
Are you sure?
Yes.
is that your card? The J of
Oh,
Hearts?
wow. Yes, that's my card.
That's okay, right? Okay, this is
Like,
actually a trick we designed for the social media for awareness of this.
okay. So we lost you again. Maybe the network issues. Anurag, are you there? Hmm. Maybe he'll come back. It's all the network issues.
So, hello everyone, happy Earth Day to you all.
Uh, Hi,
Yeah,
hi,
Anurag.
hi, sir.
Yeah,
Something
Anurag.
else. The net connection is weak, I think.
Yeah, that's
Something, I
okay.
think it's also okay. Okay, hi everybody. Okay, let's do something, Harsha. Okay, so I want to just what I want.
Oh, no, man. We'll host you once again. Hmm.
Hi,
Yeah.
hello.
Hi, Anurag.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
telling you, say hi, hi. Okay, okay, hi. Okay, hi.
yeah.
Harsha, you can see a cup, right?
Yes, yes.
Empty one, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So everybody, watch closely because I have a ball. Okay. So I'm going to put it in the cup. Okay. So where is the ball right now?
It's inside the cup.
Yeah, you can hear it, right? You can hear,
Yeah, yeah.
right? Okay.
Yes. Hmm. Okay. Meanwhile, I would like to say to you all that go and check out our Elevators Instagram page. We have fewer entries. Yeah, Anurag.
Yeah. Okay. Where's the ball actually now? It's in my hand or it's in the cup?
It's in the cup, right? From the beginning.
It's in the cup.
Yeah.
It's not in the cup. Where is it? Is? You think it's in my hand? So I'm doing nothing in the cup. But watch when I snap, it's not in my
Oh,
hand.
wow.
It's actually it's in the
Hey.
cup.
Just now it's
Okay.
not there, right?
Just watch, Harsha, okay, watch carefully. I have the ball, right? I'm going to take the ball, okay? And I'm going to take my magic wand, watch. I'm just going to tap, it's gone.
Hey.
Okay,
Where did it go?
let me do something creative, like I just keep this wand here. But when I snap, you can get a red
Hey.
ball. Heading in the cup. Okay, but this is something more fishy, right? Okay, but watch, if I just spin and I tap, watch carefully. I get an yellow ball. This is
Wow.
just simple, but you need to just concentrate, okay? But this time I have these two balls, just leave it, okay? I have the magic one. Okay. Harsha, I told you from starting, right? Who are there in from starting? Okay, hi everybody. So I need one participant from the live. I need one participant from the live, like from the audience. I need one person. Just tell hi. Otherwise, just write something if you want to participate. Can I repeat this trick once again, buddy? I'll repeat it afterwards, but I need someone support. Okay, Sushant, can you help me
Yeah,
out
can
with this trick?
someone
Like
volunteer?
you're from starting, right? Uh, is he writing? Okay. Like I
I
need
think,
someone audience. Okay,
yeah,
like
maybe
Satvik is
Satvik.
ready. Okay, Satvik. Okay, hi, yeah, okay, done. So we got an audience. So Harsha and everybody, right? Okay, just see that this is a normal deck of cards, right? Normal
Yes.
deck of cards. Okay. And now Satvik, just tell stop anywhere. Just write stop anywhere whenever you want. Just when I refill the cards like this, tell stop. Just write stop anywhere. Just try to write a stop, okay? So I'm going to refill for you slowly. Just write stop anywhere. Just done. Okay.
Maybe he sent.
Okay, like I need. So Harsha, can you help me out with this one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So Harsha, okay, you can see the normal deck, right? So I need you to tell stop anywhere.
Okay. Stop.
Sure. I want to
Yes, yes.
continue.
Stop.
You want to stop? Okay. Okay. So Harsha, this was a random selection because I can't cheat, right? Okay. So
Yes.
I need you to just have a look. I need you to just have a look at the card,
Yes, yes.
right? Okay. And I'm going to just place the deck. I'm just going to give it shuffle. Harsha, just remember the card, and from starting of the trick, I told you I can just keep a prediction here, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's from the starting of the live.
So we start from the starting of the live. I just kept a prediction. Okay, you just
Yes.
told a stop, right? You just told randomly where you want to stop, right? Okay, what was your card actually?
Yeah, it's Queen of Clubs.
The Queen of Clubs. Let's see. See, I have nothing to cheat. What? I'm just going to peel this card. Okay, I'm not going to cheat anything. What did you tell? The Queen of Clubs, right?
Queen of Clubs.
And this was from starting of the live, right?
Oh, that's awesome, man.
This is the Queen of Clubs. Okay.
That's awesome,
But actually, I
really.
want to tell you something is that see, you actually I showed you all the deck of cards are normal, right? They're all regular cards.
Yes, yes. And also that the card which is stuck at the back was there from the beginning of the live. That's really
Yeah, right.
amazing.
But one thing, Harsha, right? All the cards are different, right? But watch
Yeah.
when I snap, the Queen of Clubs will jump on the top like this. It just
Oh,
jumps on the top. Okay. But
that's again
Harsha, I think
amazing.
it's like just watch. Like all the cards are different, right? But watch now
Yeah,
because just blow virtually. Just blow once virtually. Oh my
yeah.
god, I think you blow really hard, right? Because you can see all the cards turn like oh. Oh, let's blow once more. If you can, just blow very
Okay,
hard
I'll
this
blow and
time.
also snap.
Oh my god. It will be more crazy. Okay. But watch, when I snap, you also snap, right? But watch, all the cards will turn
Hey,
into only the Queen of Clubs. Because you blowed and
is
snap.
it
I did not
real?
do anything. You just blow and snap. But I just take this deck of cards. Okay, watch Harsha. I'm going to take the queen and put it on the top. Okay. And this time I'll blow and snap. And watch again. All the cards will become normal.
Oh, that's
The,
really
the,
amazing. It's
the,
interesting. You have made me
Harsha,
also as magician virtually. Thank you so much.
virtually you also magician.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Harsha, what do you like when you feel hungry? What do you do?
I just have some food.
Okay, can you grab some food and you eat, right? Okay,
Yes.
just what do you think, like, normally, like, did you ever think what, whenever we feel hungry, what do we eat?
Generally,
Did you
we
ever
eat some
think?
snacks or rice.
Actually, we as a musicians, we don't eat snacks. Actually, we do a lot of card tricks. So in our house, we have a bunch of cards. So actually, we eat cards. Like, for example, you can see this card, right?
Oh man, you won't get digested. Be careful.
I can just
Hey,
restore the card. And I can save it for my future. So I can just eat and I can restore it. So that's how we eat. Uh, Harsha,
is it tasty?
do you have something like uh, Any money over your place? Like present, do you have any money
Right
nearby you?
now, no, bro. Sorry.
No problem. I am there for you all. You guys, you can see an envelope, right?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. See this envelope, right?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
It's like
It's almost empty.
it's like empty, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, nothing fishy, right? Okay, but watch, Harsha. What happens is that it's an empty envelope. But watch closely. When I snap, you get some money.
So you can make
You never
people
expect
rich
what happens
also.
when you meet a magician. So if you ask money, I can produce for you so much like this. So that's why it's magic. It's my savings, pocket money. We can produce so much.
So you can make people magician and also you can make people rich. That's interesting.
We can make it. Yeah. Harsha,
I request
the
all
movie.
the viewers of this live to keep some comments to encourage Anurag.
Yeah. Everybody is seeing, right?
Yes, yes,
Only
there are nearly 15 members
yes.
watching.
Thanks, Hardik. Anybody are there? Hi everybody. Okay, so actually today is Earth Day, right? Earth Day, and
Yeah,
you have
yeah,
said that restoring the Earth, right?
yeah.
Okay, I got few factors like you can see this is called global warming.
Okay,
It's
yes,
reverse because I'm in selfie mode. It's a global warming, and the second one is industrial waste. So
yeah,
actually, the waste which comes from the industry is a lot of pollution is going. And the third one is deforestation,
yes,
as you know. And the fourth one is usage of plastic or the wastage. So actually, you all did what do you call a beach cleaning or thing near Rishikonda, cleaning away plastic bags and everything. That was a very good job. Actually, I thought of coming down the day, but I was not able to come.
yeah.
But
Thank you so
now
much.
I got a chance to show you all. Like you can see these four factors, right?
Yes, yes. Deforestation, global warming, industrial waste.
Box, right?
Yeah, that's an empty
Watch
box.
carefully, like I'm going to keep these four factors in this box. I'm going to keep these four factors and this is my span. And with the help of this, so actually this is a normal box. So we need to prevent our earth, like we need to save our earth. So just wave and snap. Okay, Harsha, just wave like that from the virtual thing.
Oh,
You do I just wave. Okay. So what happens is that when we wave, you told the theme is restoring of earth, right? So when I open,
oh,
you can
wow.
earth like getting a restore on the way. It's like on the way, right?
Yes, yes.
It's all like it's on the way, right? Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like all the way, right? But watch carefully. And when I snap, it's going to heal.
Oh, they are moving close together, man.
The earth is going to
That's
heal
awesome.
like
That's
this,
awesome.
and we can restore our earth like this.
Yes, that's awesome.
This is the main thing, guys. For the actual today's theme is called the restoring of earth. Like
Restore
we
our
have
Earth. Yeah.
just got like the industrial waste and everything, making our earth into this position. So we need to save our earth. So please cooperate and follow some of the rules. Like don't throw the waste on the road. Don't throw like check the roads and save water especially. And one more thing is that I want to show everybody. Uh, Harsha, you can see this right? This one.
Yes, what's that? It look like some
It's a
cotton.
cotton actually, like you can see it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, but you can see a lighter, right? I have a lighter. Watch it.
Hey, be careful. Wow, awesome. That's a mask from cotton.
So guys, so please wear a mask because the pandemic situation is really worse outside. So we all know that we can't move out, but it made us like here sitting in the home and just so we have a lot of activities. So like we have Harsha. Thanks once more Harsha for giving this wonderful opportunity. Hope we have another session if we have
Yeah,
any
sure,
other pandemic
definitely.
situations to entertain the audience like this. So everybody, I think you all enjoyed. So I thank you everybody once again. Thank you everybody for coming
That's really
and
awesome, Anurag.
enjoying
You have
this
given a great
wonderful
message to restore our earth and also to wear masks during this pandemic. That's really awesome. So great
It's the
of you.
main thing because guys, uh, life is very short, so we need to see a lot of things, right? So we need to live a long life. So wear a mask and go. Just I don't just go outside. Just in need, if you want to go outside, just go and get some supplies and come back, and take all the sanitizations and precautions because once more life is very short and
Yeah,
it's filled
yeah.
with lots of
You're right.
surprises and everything, right? So we need to enjoy everything. So please wear a mask and go outside and have some fun with your friends and get sanitized, right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you,
Thank you
Anurag.
once
Thank you
again.
so much. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us today. That was awesome.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and that's Anurag the magician.
Thank
Thank you, Anurag.
you, Harsha. Thank you so much.
So yeah, that's the magic show for today's Earth today. So actually, I got his magic show video as an entry for awareness program. So I said him that it would be awesome if you could do it in live as it's magic, so people won't believe if you do it in a video. So that's why I asked him to come live, and he has done it so well. And also, he had passed a message to wear a mask and also to restore our Earth in all the ways possible. Thank you everyone for watching this live, and also do check our Instagram page, Elevators Vizag posts today, and also tomorrow we'll be celebrating this Earth today, and we have some more memes lined up to post. So we all be waiting for your comments. Thank you everyone, and have a happy Earth today, and please restore our Earth for future generations and for our sake. Thank you so much. This is Alligator Harsha signing off.